Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest way of reading a Google Sheet into a Pandas data frame. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. This is a dummy Google Sheet that I've created. The aim of the video is to read this Google Sheet in form of a Pandas data frame. Firstly, let's add some data. So I have column 1, column 2. I enter some random values 1, 2, 3. And in column 2 I have three values A, B, C. Now my data is ready. I have two columns with three rows each. So this is the data from Google Sheet that I want to read in a Pandas data frame. Before we jump onto the Python code, there are some prerequisites that you would have to complete in order to get this task up and running. The first piece is that you'll have to make this Google Sheet public in nature. So I'll click on share. I'll click to change to anyone with the link and I'll give edit access. It should work with the viewer access as well, but I wanted to be extra sure that the solution works. So the next thing that I'll do is I'll click on done and I've publicly shared this Google Sheet. The other two requirements that I would require for this exercise is the sheet name. In our case, the sheet name is data. And the other piece that I'll be requiring is the Google Sheet ID. If you notice the address bar, this is the typical URL of your Google Sheet. And this part which starts after D is your Google Sheet ID. So this is something that I'll require going forward. Now that the idea is clear, let's write some code in order to read a Google Sheet in form of a Pandas data frame. In order to read the Google Sheet in form of a Pandas data frame, firstly you will require Pandas. So I'll import Pandas as PD. The next two things that I require is the sheet ID. So that is where I'll paste my sheet ID that I just made public. And the next thing that I'll be requiring is the sheet name. If you recollect, the sheet name was data. So I'll punch in the value of data here and I'll run this cell. Now the next thing that I'll do is I'll create a Google Sheet link which is automatically converted to a CSV format. So the way that happens is you have your normal docs.google.com/spreadsheet, which is your normal URL. The first input that you pass in here is your Google Sheet ID. Then you have something called as gviz, then a slash, then tq question mark, tqx equal to out semicolon CSV, and then you also pass in the sheet name. So this part of the code that I've just highlighted converts your Google Sheet into a CSV. If you look at the two blanks that I have kept, the first blank is where you enter the Google Sheet ID. The second blank is where you enter your sheet name. And I have kept a format to input the two values that I just spoke about. So let me run this cell. And now let me show you the final URL that is generated. So this is the final URL that is generated. Once you play around with this notebook as well, you can copy this and paste it into your browser and you will automatically see a CSV being downloaded. Rather than importing that CSV again, what you can directly do is, given you have the URL handy now, you can directly pass in this URL into the read_CSV function. So let me run this cell. And now the time has arrived wherein I show you the final output if this is working or not. So let me run this cell. So as you can clearly see, I have the two columns that I just created and I have the three rows as well. So this is the most simplest and the elegant solution that I found in order to read a Google Sheet directly into a Pandas data frame. I hope you found this video informative. If you do like the content that I post in this channel, it would be really helpful if you can press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to be notified for future amazing Python videos. Thank you so much for watching the video.